Welcome to Part 119 of Daily English. Today's topic: Natural English expressions. Not really. Not really. Example: Do you like spicy food? Not really. Not exactly. Example: Is this what you wanted? Not exactly. I don't think so. Example: Will it rain today? I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. Example: Is this the best restaurant? I'm not sure about that. I don't think that's right. Example: I don't think that's right. Let's check again. Not this time. Example: Would you like some coffee? Not this time. Maybe another day. Example: Can we play tennis today? Maybe another day. I'd rather not. Example: Would you like to go out tonight? I'd rather not. Maybe next time. Example: Let's go shopping today. Maybe next time. Mini conversation. Anna, do you want to watch a horror movie tonight? Ben, not really. I'd rather not. Anna, that's okay. Maybe another day. Ben, thanks for understanding. Anna, no problem. Daily tip: You don't have to say no directly every time. Expressions like not really, I'd rather not, and maybe another day help you disagree or refuse politely while keeping the conversation friendly. Speaking challenge. Imagine a friend invites you to do something you don't want to do. Politely refuse using expressions like not really, I'd rather not, or maybe another day. Explain your reason and keep the conversation friendly using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 120. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.